Alright guys, this is a room tour for the Aurea balcony room 11240. This is your evacuation map. You'll use this when you do your muster drill. This is where you put your cruise card, and it's going to control your lights, your air conditioning, do not disturb button, make up the room button for your steward, and this is your air conditioning up and down, which again will not work unless you have your cruise card in here. From here, pretty standard bathroom. This toilet, decent shower. Now with the Aurea package, not that we use stuff, but you do have upgraded toiletries and shampoos. So when you first come in the room, this is the view of the room, Aurea balcony. Get a full-size couch, and that will actually open up into a bed. So if you're traveling with more than 2 people. This is our complimentary champagne with 2 glasses. And also there's chocolate here for the Aurea package that comes complimentary, and it was in our cabin when we arrived on ice. There's pretty much a lot of desk space here. It's not too bad. There's 2 American outlets that you can use, as well as 2 European outlets. The TV is a decent size for a room. It does not swivel, so when you're in bed, it's at a little bit of an angle, but not too bad. I've got my magnetic hooks on the walls because the walls are all magnetic. Hang my satchel and my hat. It's a view from the balcony. Now on either side of the beds, there are reading lights. Both here, turning it off. And this is your lights for above your bed. And that is on either side of the room on the beds. It is there as well. The beds are on the firmer side. I quite enjoyed it because I like a firmer bed. And with the Aurea package as well, you do have a pillow menu, so you can request a different type of pillow if you so choose. That is the safe and the cupboards over there storage. The safe was very easy to set up and access. Along with the other side, there's a whole side of hangers for your use. Now, out here on the balcony, this is our view. It's a sea day today, so there's not much to look at other than the ocean. And it has 2 chairs and a little table inside. It's very nice for morning coffee. I was out there this morning. And also with this package, we were able to get our breakfast delivered via room service because you have 24-hour free room service. So we filled out our breakfast forms and we're able to have our breakfast delivered this morning. And that is the Aurea balcony room. It's very nice so far, and I hope this video helps you. Stay tuned and watch the rest of my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.